Here at Beaumont People, we offer a range of services within our consulting division for individuals and organisations looking to reach their full potential. For example, we offer strengths coaching for individuals to help them explore the strengths within them and learn more about the strengths they perhaps didn't know they had. We can also apply this at a manager and a team level to help organisations attribute map the skills they have within them. We also offer a range of workshops within our professional development department. These include growth mindset and also resilience-based workshops, along with leadership and strengths-based workshops too. Finally, we offer career coaching, very practical steps to help you develop in your career. Or if you're an organisation that is unfortunately needing to restructure and make redundancies, we can also offer outplacement services to help you support the employees who are leaving the organisation and take the next steps in their career for their new chapter. If you'd like to know more about our coaching services, don't hesitate to contact us at coaching@beaumontpeople.com.au.